The electric performance vehicle market is evolving rapidly, especially in the segment that blends sporty character with modern technology. However, amid this growth, many models are beginning to follow similar approaches. High performance, futuristic design, and digital features have all become standard expectations. And because of that, truly distinctive differences are becoming harder to find. Consumers are no longer just looking for power or acceleration, but also for character, emotion, and strong identity. At this point, Ford, through the Ford Mustang Mach-E, is trying to introduce a different approach. This model is expected to be more than just part of the electrification trend, but an attempt to bring the Mustang spirit into the electric era. Some indications even suggest that future developments could become even bolder. If true, this is not just a routine update, but a move that could reshape how electric performance vehicles are perceived. From an identity standpoint, the Ford Mustang Mach-E has already taken a unique approach from the start. Combining the Mustang name with an electric SUV format was not a conventional move. But that is exactly where its boldness lies. Moving forward, its design may further emphasize the sporty character that defines Mustang DNA. The body proportions could become more aggressive, with sharper lines and a lower stance. The front end is expected to look sharper, with more expressive and modern lighting. Signature elements like the tri-bar taillights will likely remain as a strong identity cue. These changes are not just about aesthetics, but about ensuring that even as an electric SUV, it still feels like a Mustang. If successful, the Mach-E could become a bridge between heritage and electrified future. And this is what sets it apart from most EVs. However, the true strength of the Ford Mustang Mach-E likely lies in its continuously evolving technology. Its electric platform is expected to be further refined to improve both performance and efficiency. Battery advancements could provide better range while maintaining strong performance characteristics. In addition, drivetrain and handling systems may be enhanced to deliver a more responsive driving experience. On the digital side, software integration becomes a major focus. Infotainment systems, connectivity, and over-the-air updates allow the vehicle to improve over time. AI-based approaches also open the door to a more personalized driving experience. The car doesn't just respond, it begins to understand the driver. If realized, the Mach-E will not only be fast, but also intelligent and adaptive. If these developments come to reality, the impact could be significant. The Ford Mustang Mach-E may not only strengthen its position in the performance EV market, but also redefine what a muscle car means in the electric era. A combination of heritage and innovation can be incredibly powerful, and this could influence how other brands approach performance electrification. Because when a legendary name adapts without losing its identity, that's when new standards begin to emerge. And ultimately, this is what makes the Mach-E so compelling. Because this is not just about an electric vehicle, but about the evolution of an icon.